Meet Cristiano Ronaldo, one of the greatest footballers of all time. Cristiano Ronaldo is 40 years old, yet his body is fitter than most men in their 20s. So what is he doing differently? The answer isn't genetics or luck, it's daily habits anyone can copy. 1. Diet. Cristiano Ronaldo's health starts with food. He eats around 3,000 calories a day, split into 5 to 6 small meals to keep his energy stable. He focuses on lean protein, whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, and completely avoids junk food, sugar, and alcohol. Ronaldo says, a good workout must be combined with a good diet. 2. Hydration. But what he drinks might matter even more. Hydration is non-negotiable for Ronaldo. Drinking water is so important, he says. Water helps his muscles recover faster and keeps his body performing at a high level. 3. Consistency. Now here's what most people get wrong about training. Ronaldo doesn't just lift weights. He combines football drills, cardio, strength training, and agility work almost every day. Train hard, but train smart, he explains. Consistency matters more than extreme workouts. 4. Recovery. Recovery is a priority. Ronaldo focuses on quality sleep, stretching, ice baths, and massages. 5. Mindset. And without this mindset, none of it works. Ronaldo believes discipline is everything. Consistency is the key, he says. Mental strength is just as important as physical strength. Cristiano Ronaldo's body isn't built by shortcuts. It's built by smart food, daily movement, proper recovery, and discipline, repeated every single day. If you want to improve your energy, strength, and health, start copying these habits.